Well, so far everything's looking good. Look at that. All right, today we are testing this new skateboard, which is a prototype. Engineered in Switzerland, unit E-SYS/01, prototype 001, carbon core, material code BMB4-CF3. You guys are gonna wanna remember that code, trust me. Okay, so it says engineering analysis, why the HybridCore V2 outperforms traditional 7-ply maple decks. 1, executive summary. The HybridCore V2 represents a paradigm shift in skateboard tech architecture. What does it even mean? By moving away from the monolithic 7-ply Canadian maple, monolithic? Is it really monolithic? By moving away from the monolithic 7-ply Canadian maple construction and adapting a carbon bamboo sandwich composite with 45-degree torsional lock, the V2 achieves superior mechanical properties. The result is a deck that is 100% stiffer, 3% lighter, and significantly more responsive than any industry standard skateboard. Okay, now it's comparing the maple versus the carbon bamboo maple. So this is 4-ply sustainable bamboo. A regular skateboard is 100% Canadian maple. This has biaxial carbon fiber, 45 degrees. I guess that is this, 45 degrees? I have no idea. If anybody knows what biaxial carbon fiber 45 degrees means, please leave it in the comments below so I can figure it out. Maple grind protection layer. Okay, so it looks like on the bottom, it has maple on the bottom, so sliding is the same. Bamboo in the middle, carbon fiber on the top. Very interesting. So this says it has extreme torsional lock. Total weight, okay, it's lighter than your average board. The torsional lock, unlike standard decks or maple 0-degree longitudinal carbon decks, the V2 utilizes a biaxial carbon weave. Physics, orienting fibers at, I literally have no idea. This is like the most complicated math problem I've ever seen in my whole life. But for somebody out there who wants to seriously geek out, I'm just gonna show you each of these pages. You guys can pause the screen as necessary and you can study this. So somebody out there is gonna read this and leave it in the comments and explain every single little bit and piece of this. Standard maple versus HybridCore. And I'm gonna skate this thing. And the big question is, how strong is it? How much better does it pop? And should we try and break it? Okay, somewhere in here it does say, outperforms direction and load management. Carbon layers store more elasticity, energy instantly upon loading. Carbon fiber layers store elastic energy instantly upon loading. Okay, I guess this means that you have better, higher ollies. Okay, we're gonna test this in all possible ways. First things first, the 1-foot kickflip test. You ready? Yep. First try? First try again? Okay. So far it's pretty good. But now let's see if I can do an actual kickflip. First try. I'm not even gonna ollie, nothing. First try kickflip. Okay, wow. It does feel good. It feels stiff. It feels strong. It does feel like I can pop quite well on it. Listen to that. Dude, pretty epic. Okay, let's cruise this skate park. See how we're feeling today. Wow! I got these brand new wheels on here, brand new trucks, the Grind King lockers. This is the most advanced skateboard in the history of the world. Woohoo! Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so far it's feeling pretty good. It's definitely quite stiff. It feels like it does ollie quite high. Let's see, I'm just gonna pop an ollie off this bank and see how I feel about that. I don't know what happened there. Wheel butt, I guess? It felt like I heard something, little snap, crackle, and pop. But look at this, serious wheel bite. My wheel went straight into that wood. Right there, you can see that. The black is all, I was leaning too far in the back. in the back seat. How wide is this board? Like at 8.5? Feels like I'm on a monster boat. Nice and wide, nice wide construction. Okay, well that wasn't embarrassing. I just fully slammed on an ollie, no big deal. Happens to the best of us, right? Oh, that felt better. I'm not gonna lie, that did feel like it does feel like it snaps quite well. It's funny, it's unfortunate because I have no idea what that paper is saying. So I don't even really know how to test what they're talking about, but it did feel like it popped really good. So I feel like the best way for me to test some of these things is do a bunch of flat ground tricks. Let's start with some basics. Okay, let's ollie this bad boy. Okay, not bad. Try frontside 180. Nah, not great. Backside 180, let's see if we still can. Yeah, pop, shove it. Kickflip, right? Okay, my initial response after several basic tricks is it does feel responsive, it does feel snappy, feels pretty good. It's so interesting because the layer you're popping off of, at least to start, is still wood. So it feels pretty similar, but the second you get across that wood, you got bamboo, 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 carbon fiber. For some reason, what always freaks me out on these wide boards, I don't know how you guys skate these wide boards. I mean, I'm gonna grab my board just to see the difference. Look at this. When I was your age, we skated even smaller boards than I have now. Look at this thing though. My board is like a toothpick compared to this. Look at that, width difference. So this is a 775, that's what I'm used to skating. This, I don't know, maybe 8.5, 8.25. Let's see the difference in height as well. Not too much difference, maybe like half an inch. Yeah, super interesting. So this is 7-ply Canadian maple standard deck. This is the carbon fiber bamboo composite. You hear the difference? Yeah, you can tell this board is stiffer. Let's just try flat ground tray flip. Amazing. It's so weird to like change the difference like widths on the board. Okay, run it back, Aaron. Tray bomb. Don't give me that garbage. Why I keep doing a wheel bite today? No more wheel bite. Well, even on my board, it's taking me what, like 5 tries at this point? If I get this first try, this is the best board ever made. First try! Easy, easy! What am I to make of that? It does feel stiffer, it does feel like it's popping a little better, it does feel pretty nice. I'm gonna lie, carbon fiber for the W. Every day I get asked, Aaron, what's your favorite trick? And my answer every day is kickflip. Just a straight up kickflip. And the kickflip on this does feel pretty good. Let's run it back. Yeah, not bad. We haven't done a front shove yet. Let's get that in there. Okay, I was not planning on doing this to myself. I'm like, it's 4th of July, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna go watch fireworks, but I've gotta just put this board through the paces. And if you know me, you know what that means. It's heel flip time. If I can do this first try, this is the greatest skateboard ever invented. Also, look at how loose the trucks are. It's like extra hot today, so it's extra in there. Should I really just give it my all first try?
Yep.
Whoa! Pretty close. I'd love to say that was user error, but let's blame the board completely. Just kidding, okay, we got this. I need to pop and jump and lean more in the back seat because the board is going behind me. And I can counteract that by putting my weight more this way and flushing it out, flushing the board more in front of me. Okay, I'm gonna land this one good. And that was 100% me in my head thinking I was just gonna slam. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. It's gonna be beautiful. I'll take it. I will take that. Okay, I like this board. Let's see how it skates on the transition up here. I'm gonna start with a rock to fakie. Oh wow, this board's the best. We're gonna go rock and roll. Oh wow, this board, the best board I ever skated. People are gonna be like, is he serious? Whoa, that was terrifying. How about the pop rock? Love it. I'm gonna try a no stall revert. Woo-wee! Frontside rock maybe? Oh, I'm scared of this. Oh boy! Half cab rock. Wow. And then revert it. We're gonna run that back. Whoa! Count it, I guess. In a line, Shay. In a line. Wow. Wow. That's what we haven't done, a no comply. Wow, it popped so high it almost hit me in the nether regions. Okay, I like this board. It's fun, it pops well, it's fun to skate. It's got a good shape, it's nice and wide. It's very technologically advanced, you can tell it's superior. And I'm just not sure if I want to just smash it to smithereens. Leave it in the comments below. Should we put this through all of the paces? Yes or no? I don't know. I don't know what to make of it. Okay, now we're gonna commence into the ultimate destruction tests where we're gonna really put this board through its paces. Ready? Test number 1, tail scrape test. Tail scrape number 1. This is a pretty smooth park, you know, pretty smooth. We're through that first sheet, we're into the bamboo. It's nothing like how to stop on a skateboard. Slide number 2. Not bad. Through the first sheet, into bamboo sheet number 1. Let's see if 3 slides takes us through bamboo sheet number 2. No, not quite. Okay, you see that? Sheet 1, sheet 2. We still have 1, 2, 3, and then a whole sheet of carbon fiber. But because we scraped that right there, you know where this board is going to be absolutely weakest? Right there. So you know what the next test is? Wall slam test. You ready for this? Oh boy! No way! No way! No, actually no way. Okay, I thought for sure that would have completely obliterated the tail. I just scraped this tail all the way on the ground. So 2 plies were scraped through. And look, you literally can't even see anything. Nothing. Okay, I am very, very impressed by that. And I hit it right there. You can see where it hit, and it hit right at the weakest spot. Okay, well, now you got me curious. All right, we're gonna do that again. I mean, you hear that thing hit the wall? Look, if you saw your board right there, there's no way this is that strong. How did they do that? Okay, I'm genuinely very impressed with that. Try number 3. No way that didn't chip. Okay, it's starting. Now it's starting. Okay, you can see it now breaking loose right there. But that was 3 hits against the wall, literally shoving the board as hard as I can put it. And it just barely is cracking up. Number 4, let's go! Okay, now we are actually starting to get a chip. See that? Heck, I still cannot believe. If you just saw the top of the board right there, you wouldn't even see that really. Okay, well, so far it passed the scrape test and it passed the wall hit test with flying freaking colors. I don't know if I even have enough physical force left in me to do this. Okay, I might need your assistance on this, Shay. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna snap it in the center.
Oh, like that.
I was hit 1, we're going to hit 2 now. Oh, I might be able to get this right here. If I get this right here, I am the champion karate master.
Did that just bounce back?
It bounced back and hit me like Bruce Lee. That was 2 kicks as hard as I could go. We gotta keep going. Ah! Ow! It fully smashed my you-know-what. Okay, give it a shot. You wanna give it a shot?
Yep.
This is your first time putting force down on a skateboard. Come on, you could get more force than that. You're just getting started.
Here we go.
Is that your good leg?
There is no way. Yeah, that's my left leg.
Your left leg's stronger?
Yeah.
That's all you got?
Not happening.
The world's most indestructible skateboard?
Doesn't feel like. No. There is no way. Wow.
Okay, I'm not gonna touch it in any way, shape, or form. I'm just gonna go straight to another kickflip and see if it's still popping. What is getting stronger? It's like it's fighting back. It makes me wonder though, because that carbon fiber does, usually when you add stiffness, it adds like a part of the board that will break. I wanna do it like this, but I'm so scared I'm just gonna get rocked. Another way that's good to break a board though, is you run and jump and go this way. Oh, maybe I should do the tail because the tail might have gotten weaker with that hits against the wall. Give that a go, let's try. Ah! Oh, what in the world with this thing? Okay, you may have won this round. You may have won this battle, but you haven't won the war. If we had like a small flat bar here, I bet we could get it on the flat bar test. The flat bar test is where there's a flat bar and you do front side lip slide and you put all your weight in it, and because the rail's here and all your weight's on the side, oh, it's likely to snap. It looks like from all those hits in the middle, we sort of bent it a little bit, but even with that little bend, it still is just like shredding, absolute shredditure, shred it cards. Jeez, one last trick. Terrible frontside flip, we'll take it. Okay, this board is super fun to skate, very responsive, very well built, and I believe it's completely indestructible, could not be broken with a 757 jet airplane. A very limited edition supply of these are available right now at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Go skate, have fun, we'll see you at the skate park.